Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today I'm going to show you how to put the key, or put a key or key card, or pretty much whatever object you want, I believe you can do it with, onto the neighbor's belt. Now, I would recommend doing it with a key, because that's probably your best chance of getting it to not crash. So key or key card would probably be what you want to use. I mean, I don't know why you would want to put a box in his belt, but I'm sure you can. Either way, I'm going to show you how to put a key on the neighbor's belt. So let me go ahead and just open my map real quick. Alright, cool. So, first, what you want to do is obviously you want to have the neighbor in. Okay, so we already have a copy of the neighbor in our world, just like this. This is from when we did a tutorial on how to change the neighbor's chase music. So, first, what you want to do is, of course, get the key. So we'll switch over here. Content browser is all mixed up. No, like let's no. How dare you? Hold on. Content browser. Alright, so we search up key, right? We can let's grab BP key, okay? So we'll take BP key. Alright, you just got BP key. And over here, underneath the world outliner, and next to the content browser, you should see this little thing down here. So what you want to do is you want to scroll down with the key selected. Scroll down until you find something that says mode or modes, I believe is what it says. Yeah, right here under flat component, go to mode, and it should say right now when you first drag in free. So if you click on that and go show said belt. Now, if we head over to the neighbor, you can see the key is now in the neighbor's belt. So, if we hop right onto the game real quick here, just a bit of load. We run over to the neighbor. He should have the key on his belt, and we should be able to grab it off of him. See, there's the neighbor. And yep, the key is on him. Yeah, there you go. And we got the key. So yeah. And you can set it up just like you would just set up a normal key. And yeah, with that being said, I want to thank you guys for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, ring notification bell, break out that mod kit, and start modding.